Hi, this is our daily life, and we're just waiting for our professor in Introduction to Human Anatomy and Physiology, Sir Alan. To I don't know if we will be discussing or what, or if we're going to
Be
have
careful with your words.
if we're going to have grade conference. Yeah, wait. Joke. I'm gonna do it now. It's so we're back.
So we're back.
So we're back. Say hi.
Hi. So beautiful. And I love it.
You're so beautiful, but I hate your face.
Hey.
Look at Mary's what?
Hey.
Wait! Someone's interrupting us. I hate him. Akin na, akin na, akin na! Saan pinakalaban ko ba kay Chef?
What is that?
Yung mga nang-train na.
Lahat, tata. Ako din.
Okay!
Say bye, Kate.
Bye! I'm just gonna fill up something.
Yes.
Here, this is for the ITR Eklavu. Bye!
Bye.